All right, it's been a couple days. Yesterday I put these things back on the wheels. This one was originally on this side, and I switched them because I figured this one's spinning more than this one. I don't want to wear through the plastic quicker than necessary. I also figured maybe this will help this one spin a little easier. I think it's because these clutches might be different stalls. And this one doesn't fully engage until a high RPM. But we're going to try it again. I put more air in the tires, and I think that might have been one of my biggest downfalls as to why this didn't work, because maybe the sidewall was flexing too much. So I think I have like 25 pounds in them each. It also just rained, so the ground's wet. So that might be to my advantage as well. So we're going to get at it and see if this works this time. Much better. Yeah! Yeah! Hey, it didn't last long, but it was a lot better. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I don't think these are usable for another try at it. It worked though. It worked a lot better. It's raining, so that might have helped, but I mean, I don't know why that came off. Probably because hey, look at this over here. There you go. There you go. I mean, that's not bad. Not half bad at all, honestly. I was pretty happy with that. All right, I'm not even gonna try to get that other bucket rim on again, because this thing is just completely, I don't even think like if I hit it with a hammer, I don't even know. It's just also a lot of work, but I can still tip it in when I turn the wheel to the right, because that's still on there. So we're gonna start this thing back up and give it one more hook. The engine on the, oh, here it comes. The engine on the left quit, I don't know how long ago, but I'm deaf apparently because I couldn't hear it not running, and that's why it wasn't, well, there goes that one. But it kept doing something even with no, so this is a win. I'll be honest, I don't really know what else we can do with this thing today. No more drifting, well, at least not like that. I don't really have any room to let this thing eat other than in a straight line, but I guess we could get on the three-wheeler and give it some action. Then it's not really a go-kart video anymore, but we'll let it ride. I'll be honest, this shot might look like garbage, and this also might never see the light of day, but I'm doing the best I can with just myself out here, while also trying not to just straight up film my neighbor's house like a creep and like dox myself or something. So, you know. I can actually drive it too. I don't have All right, now this is just embarrassing. I mean, seriously, this is just... I think I just need to go home. I need a cigarette after this. Now, how the hell... Really? Like, really? I mean, seriously? That's just... Wow. Wow. So, we are here in what I like to affectionately call, the pit. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's just a pit. I don't know. I just do donuts and stuff here. This is completely not a go-kart video anymore. But I filmed that footage horizontally, so it's going on YouTube. It's not going on you guys can't see me at all anymore. Oh no! Oh, that's tragic. Oh, this is tragic. I hope it caught that last one. Oh man, I need to clean my cellular device. Dude, it's done for. I'm completely gross. You know you're gross when you stick your hands in this water and your hands get cleaner. Also, I'm worried my phone is just completely filled with mud. This was gonna be a go-kart video. I guess this is both now. This is both. This qualifies as both. All right, that's that's about it. You get a good look at a Crazy Frog here. All right, see ya.